Hello creators, Bradley Morris here from Magic Media, and I'm inviting you to the 12-week Fast Cash Crash Course. That's right, Fast Cash Crash Course. Save 5 times really fast, and you might get a discount. So, this course is where I'm going to be taking you through a process where you're going to develop a 4-week live training series. I'm going to support you to design your course, to build your sales page using our templates. I'm going to support you to come up with a marketing strategy, to implement that marketing strategy, to pre-sell your course for 4 weeks, and then you're going to deliver it during the actual training here, and then we're going to celebrate it. We're going to be meeting every week, and you're going to have a powerful experience of getting to come up with an idea, see it all the way through to the end, make money doing it, and you're going to get to support a whole bunch of people to have their lives changed. So one of the interesting parts about this course and the experiment is for the last 4 years, Magic Media does revenue shares with partners. Instead of taking on clients, we do a rev share. So for this particular course, you can pay the $888 registration fee, or if finances are tight for your business or something like that, or you prefer to not have such a big risk, you can pay $222 as a down payment, and then 20% of the revenue you generate through course sales from going through this training. This is a total experiment for me to see how this works. I mean, basically, if you pay the $222, then I'm in the pilot seat with you, trying to cheer you on, because then everybody wins. And that's the beauty of this business model that I've developed over the years, is that I'm trying to create ways that everybody can win. And so if $888 is too much for your bank account right now, but you want to participate, you want to learn, you want to build something awesome, and you would love to make money doing it, then 20% isn't that much to have a coach in your corner who's going to guide you, support you, cheer you on, offer you feedback, and help you get something launched that you're proud of. So if you're looking to make some fast cash by offering your gifts in the world, then join the Fast Cash Crash course today. I can't wait to see you in the program. You will be a part of an intimate group of creators who are also going through the process inside of our Mighty Network. So you'll have the opportunity to collaborate, to brainstorm, to be inspired by, and to connect with the other participants in the group. We'll be meeting all the time, and you're gonna get live coaching, and I'm gonna support you. So please join the Fast Cash Crash Course. Tell your friends, bring a friend to us so you got an accountability buddy, and let's do this thing. You in? Are you coming? Come on, let's do it. Fast Cash Crash Course. Fast Cash Crash Course. Fast Cash Crash Course. Fast Cash Crash Course. Fast Cash Crash Course.